How to convert low quality video to HD in CapCut. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about converting low quality video to HD in CapCut. So now let's get started. So learning on how to import high quality videos in CapCut from your phone is really simple. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of CapCut application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now launch the application, and after editing your video, select the filters and adjust the effects by setting the exposure to 5, sharpness to 30, and cover this adjustment in the entire video. When exporting, set the resolution to 1080p and the frame rate to 30. Now you can export your video. And this is how you can convert low quality video to HD in CapCut. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.